What's up guys, Sam here. Welcome back to another video. Got the brand new iPhone 8, sorry, that was from 2017. I mean the brand new iPhone SE here to take a look at, and man, there's a lot of hype around this phone. I think it could be really good, and now I got my hands on one. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Drop a like if you're excited, hit subscribe for more. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Oh, here we go. Alright. I'm not littering, this is going right here in the old kangaroo pouch. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the top on our new Porsche right here. And it actually is in a very nice color. So this is in product red, as you can see by this little insert right here. So basically, instead of this supporting the HIV/AIDS Foundation that product red is known for, the proceeds, or some of the proceeds from this phone, actually go to a new COVID-19 fund. I'm not saying that if you buy any color other than red, you're kind of a bad person, but you know, I'm just saying it could help somebody if you buy a red phone. Here it is. Let's go ahead and power it on really quick before we take off the old screen protector. Wow, it's a classic Apple logo per usual. I did get the black. I didn't get black. Why did I say that? I did get red. It's pretty much the same Ferrari red as the product red iPhone 8 that came out a couple of years back. In the box, there's literally nothing exciting. USB-A lighting cable, power brick, headphones. Great, you know? That's what we've had pretty much forever here. Now, let's go ahead and peel off the plastic on this phone. Take a look at this. This is a very bright and flashy color. And they're greeting us already. Again, going in the kangaroo pouch out here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up just because the setup process is identical to any other iPhone, and then we'll jump back. There's my home screen all set up, but actually before jumping into that, I actually wanna show you the back of this phone right here, because there are a couple of exterior changes. What, on a $400 phone? There actually is. So the Apple logo has been moved to the center. It's because the rest of the lineup got the Apple logo switched, so this makes it look a lot more uniform. Also, just like on the last product red iPhone that was this size, you have a little product red insignia. This is the only phone, at least in the US, that has something below the Apple logo. I am impressed though by how this feels for $400, because you have to remember when the iPhone 8 went on sale, it was like 700 bucks. So this, for $300 less with way better hardware, is like, wow, that's pretty impressive what they've been able to do here. I grabbed my daily driver right now, which is the iPhone 11 Pro, and I want to compare the camera really quick just to give you a sense of what's changed. It's not going to be super detailed, but I think you'll be able to get a good idea after the first couple of shots here. So what Apple's done here is basically put the processor of the highest end phone in here, the A13, which gives you some great computational photography benefits like portrait mode with just one camera lens. However, it's the sensor of the iPhone 8, we think, that preceded it. So sensor-wise, hasn't really changed, but there are some bonus features that you're getting in the camera app. Like, if you actually look at the camera app, there is some cool stuff in here. It looks similar to the camera app on the newest iPhones, which I wasn't expecting to see. There's that little drop-down arrow that shows you there are some additional things you can change, including in video. If you actually tap up here in the top left-hand corner of the screen, you can change the frame rate for video, which is cool. I thought that was restricted to just the newest iPhones, but again, because the A13's in here, you're getting that on this $400 one. You can also change the flash, the live photos on or off, self-timer, filters, and of course the aspect ratio, all on the fly by tapping on that little arrow. And I think the design here looks good. It's actually got, I think, the new iPhone like Pro camera font in here as well, which is a nice touch. Portrait mode seems really great on here. I took a couple of selfies, not gonna lie, not gonna flex on you guys. What else is new with the SE? Well, not a whole lot. You got some bonuses here from other phones like Express Transit, which means you could like scan to get on a train or something even if your phone's out of battery. Having Touch ID back is actually really nice. It's the second gen sensor, so again, identical to the iPhone 8 hardware. There was no upgrade there, but it's really fast, and I feel like I can actually get into this phone a bit faster than my 11 or 11 Pro or any iPhone I've ever owned with Face ID. That was so... There is no 3D touch on here. That has been replaced by Apple with haptic touch, which is the same thing on all the other new iPhones, so it's press and hold rather than an actual pressure-sensitive mechanism beneath the display. When you record a video, there is stereo audio recording, there's faster Wi-Fi and cellular, and the True Tone display is identical to the iPhone 8, but still looks just as good to me. I mean, Apple's LCD screens have been the best for a while, in my opinion. For the RAM inside, I just checked. It is 3 gigabytes. I don't even know if you can see it because it is quite bright outside, but 2.88, so 3 according to Geekbench 5, which is great because that's actually the same number of gigabytes in the iPhone XR, and a lot of people have had a great experience with the RAM on that phone, so this is a gig more than you're getting on the iPhone 8. At this point, the nostalgia, it's hitting me pretty hard. This is a legendary design. This is probably like the most used phone design for any Apple iPhone ever, and it feels great to have it back. I mean, it's a solid phone, but it's $400 and you can't go into this expecting the best. All right, so this is the new iPhone SE. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Try to bring some life to a phone design that has honestly been around since the iPhone 6, but the glass back looks nice. Camera's solid for what I can tell right now. I want to take a deeper dive into this a little bit later compared to some other phones, but that's the iPhone SE unboxing. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. Hit subscribe for more. You guys are the best, and I'll see all of you in my next video.